Guinness in the house, well.
Yeah.
I love that thing.
Yeah, it's cool, right?
Oh my god, is this not the most in the whole wide world? Look at that. I didn't Absolutely. Have a great one. Hey! What is up? How are you?
All right, let's see. Can we do the whiskey and salted passion?
Yeah,
All right,
sure.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great one.
You too.
Cuando yo ya cogí la relación estaban como muy enfadados por los retrasos que había. Entonces intenté usar mejores lead times, apretar con proyectos y ver si podíamos hacer y tal. Al final me dijeron, mira, me tienes que dar un deadline de cuándo van a llegar los días. Les di el deadline.
Go ahead. No, go ahead.
I'm glad you grabbed it.
I did last Inside Bar Convent, yeah.
Hello, beautiful lady. I'm your number one brand ambassador. Okay. You don't know yet. I love.
All right, you got to tell me all about the brand. Who's gonna speak? Who's gonna speak? This is for you two.
Yes, great. It's funny, kind of. We were having a fun conversation. This is called Antidote, as you can see.
Yes.
It's a non-alcoholic brand. Everything is handmade in Italy. We're based in New York. I'm the founder. We're just about a year old. And here we brought 3 different kind of beverages today. We have our signature is sort of classic Italian aperitivo, very botanical, very close to traditional, flavors, but obviously non-alcoholic. We also have a ready-to-drink gin and tonic, which is has a little bit of a bergamot, real ginger, essential oils. So yeah, it's refreshing. It's open for. Do you want to try some?
Yeah, certainly will. Yes.
Yeah.
And do you have a cork?
I'm good.
About this one. It's all good.
Some too?
Yeah, can I hear? Can you tell me about your brand? I don't know.
Oh, okay. So this is the first Japanese shochu that was bottled high proof for export purposes. So generally they're usually bottled at 40 proof, which is a little too low for a spirit. The distillate can actually go up to like 90 proof. But we wanted to provide an affordable but also cocktail-friendly shochu to America, so we bottle them at 70 proof, and we have a very, very classic saga barley, which is a 400-year-old recipe barley shochu. But we also have something that's really modern, which is the lemongrass and the green tea. And last but not least, we have a very special bottle, which is a Sakura cask barrel-aged shochu. Sakura is Japanese cherry blossoms, and this is the first spirit ever fully aged in Sakura cask.